Hey, have you ever wondered what it takes to rank on the front page top of Google? If so, you've came to the right place. Follow me along in this podcast as I show you every single week what it takes to rank on the front page of Google, and specifically what it takes for the week that we're in, what Google's favoring, and what Google is showing at the top of its SERP result pages for different keywords and how that changes week to week. Hi, my name is Jason Brown, and thanks for joining me on this podcast. I'm the inventor of SERP tracking and the co-founder of SERPwoo, and we're going to go ahead and jump in and show you what I've recorded for this week, what Google is favoring and ranking on the front page of Google for any given keyword at any time. Now, we obtain this data through all of our tracking that we're doing in SERPwoo, which is millions of keywords. It's hundreds of millions of URLs. It's billions of data points and thousands of SEO factors that we're actually monitoring day by day. This is how we get the results to show you that I'm getting ready to present in an Excel sheet here. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let me change screens. Now, what you should be seeing is the Excel sheet here for July 24th today. And page size is the number one factor right now, at least for this week. It was also the number one factor last week on July 16th. But page size right now is very important. And this is comprised of a couple different factors, be it the actual page size itself, body tag, HTML size. It all wraps into the actual body size itself. That gets correlated into page size. Obviously, you know, if you've got a website where the HTML is a lot larger than the body, then, you know, you could throw this out the window, but that's also probably a website that's not ranking. So page size is definitely the number one factor this week. And let me show you all of the next ones here. Now, I did rank these in order of importance. And prior videos, you might have seen me rank them on frequency. Now, you can still go watch all the older videos and see the frequency, but we have changed the format to show importance. So let's go ahead and show you the next factor here that's ordered in importance. And that is keywords in titles. Keywords in titles, that's always an important SEO metric, but it's the second most important this week. It was third last week behind keywords and sentences. Then we have keywords and sentences that's in third, which was second last week. Outbound links, which definitely took a jump from last week. Keywords in H2. Keywords in H1. Keywords in, looks like I've got a mistake here. That should be H3. There you go. Keywords in H3. Now, that didn't come up a lot in prior videos, but the last 2 weeks, keywords in H3 has definitely took an important step in ranking on the front page of Google. And then we've got keywords in H4 and extra terms in titles. Now, that would be terms that are outside of your keyword, like reviewed, compared, best, 2022, maybe certain keywords that are review, comparison, maybe they say good or best or number one. These are extra terms that Google's really paying attention to in certain industries. The one thing that didn't come up was images with alt text. Now, that came up as an important factor last week. It was nowhere in even the top 40 for this week, so that's definitely fallen out. Now, something I don't have listed here that, although it didn't make the top 20, it did move up, and that was questions in the heading. So I've definitely seen that move up. It very well could be that next week that breaks into the top 20 and I get to report on it. But I just want to leave you with the thought that questions in the heading is something that is moving up that could be of importance. Now, before you go, I do have an important announcement. I'm looking to add Bing, Microsoft, MSN results to this. I know that there's certain people in the community, they only pay attention to Google. There are people, though, interested in ranking on the Microsoft properties. And I tell you what, if we can get 20 likes on this video, then I'll consider publishing Microsoft results in this future videos of these alongside Google. And maybe we can find some things that are common, some things that are wildly different, but any information to help you rank on other properties such as MSN, Bing, Microsoft, essentially on that search engine there so that you can get more exposure. But go ahead. If you want to get that information, like this video. If we reach 20, I'll definitely consider it for next week's video. And that's everything we've got. Hope you've enjoyed it. Again, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video next week. Thanks.